In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video on CapCut PC without losing quality. If you need to clean up distracting edges, trim away extra background space, or frame your footage more tightly without making it blurry or pixelated, this is a simple and reliable method. The key is not just cropping the video, but also making sure the export settings preserve that sharpness afterward. To begin, open CapCut on your PC and go to your timeline. Look at your tracks and click once directly on the video clip you want to crop so it becomes selected. After that, move your cursor up to the small horizontal shortcut toolbar located just above the track area. There, click the crop icon. It looks like two overlapping right-angle corners. This opens CapCut's dedicated cropping controls, which is exactly where you want to work if you're trying to keep your image properly shaped. Once you click it, a configuration window will appear on screen, and in the bottom left area of that window, you'll see a ratio drop-down menu. Click that menu and choose the ratio that matches your sequence, such as 16:9. This part is important because it locks the proportions of the frame, which helps prevent your video from being stretched or distorted after the crop. In other words, your image stays natural and correctly shaped. Now use the outer corner handles of the crop box to trim the frame around the area you actually want to keep. If you're focusing on something specific, like spreadsheet cells, text, or another detailed area of the screen, crop carefully so the subject fills the frame without cutting off important content. Once the framing looks right, move down and click the blue Confirm button to apply the crop. After that, there's one more important step to protect the quality of the final result. Go to the top right corner of CapCut and click the blue Export button. When the Export Settings panel opens, look for the Video Encoding section and find the bitrate option. Click the drop-down next to bitrate and change it to higher. This tells CapCut to use more data when rendering the video, which helps preserve fine detail and keeps lines, text and edges looking crisp after the crop. Finally, click the blue Export button at the bottom of the panel to save your video file. And that's it.